Updates. So this is update. So from the overview and from the week yesterday, from last week, I told you we were having this rally point of that, targeting the IST point, which market just considered at this point, breaking also again, boom, getting that rally again. So yesterday being Monday, I was targeting this zone for since market just broke it very high very early and just retracing down. So I was targeting to also still take these buys, which we took very short buys, almost to eating to TP1 30 pips above 50 pips, and then again retraced down. So we left this as the lowest point of New York session liquidity. So from that point, this is the day Tuesday distribution. As always, is a day that market always gets high volume, high volatility. So right now, I gave you the overview, and I say this as my point of interest. And from this point of interest, right now in New York Open, we are in New York Open, and then right now we are expecting the high impactful news from Canadian dollar. I know Canadian dollar is not US dollar. We are not expecting high impactful from US dollar. But Canadian dollar, we are expecting very high impactful news, which is the inflation rate, the CPI trim, and we expect the CPI. So from the CPI and the inflation rate in Canadian dollar, these are just the fundamentals. But from these fundamentals, they are going to also affect the dollar. They are going to affect also US dollar. And you are going to get some volatility in that market. The volatility is going to get inside. So from these 3 points of interest, I'm going to be trading these 3 points of interest. First of all, this is a high impact, this is a high risk, but I'm waiting right now New York 4-hour New York Open, which is we're getting right now from this zone. So in the next maybe 4 minutes, you are going to be receiving that, and also in the next 30 minutes, you are going to be receiving news from Canadian. And then from that, you are going to be receiving Fed backing speech, which is the US dollar. So US dollar, we are receiving only medium impactful news. It's only medium impactful. But remember that they have the Fed Williams speech. They are going to be receiving Fed Barr speech. So those are the speeches that we're going to be receiving today. Fed Collins speech. And those are the speeches that we are receiving today. They are medium impactful, but expect them to make a distribution in this market. So we're still having this rally. This is a 20 pips stop loss, and also this one is 20 pips stop loss. So we'll be risking something from this point, because if market breaks this high, we are going to leave it for this liquidity. This is a structural one, and this one is a sessional liquidity. So I still have some. I am using this because we also having impact. We are having an imbalance here. From this imbalance that we broke from coming down early in the morning, and we have just been retracing, trying to get that point. So I will be trading this zone. I'll be trading this one. I'll be sharing in a few, because it's almost this is 28, 29, I think so. So I'll be trading that zone with a stop loss of 20 pips, and be sharing a premium also. And also this one, I'll be trading for this sales. So I'll be looking for that sales to sweep this liquidity from this New York. And also we're having this another imbalance in this point. So those are the zones that I'll be trading today. I wish you guys the very, very best. Sorry for that. I wish you the very, very best for that connection. And we're going to meet on TikTok live.